Say escanomu die den almost here to is force. I the media project na almost here to is force. Ebusian for aha Ghana Center TV GH mesro like a comment subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you notify. Ebusian for Mukai assembly na yeka during COVID-19 time 2020. I have a funny statement there making say by June there now be Mukai's statement no, because I think there was this projection say by June the rate at which a virus in the second now be corona no be right, and that there was that popular saying. Now say you know the current statement I want one comfortable brain and they make it fun and they say by by April there now dollar na hit 20 cedis. Yeah. Now, I mean, people who are saying this are not far from being right. And unfortunately, sometimes and you say, Ebia, any this simuno, ye bomb pies or mine say no. But yeah, say you can see danger coming. And then you warn your friends, your family, even strangers about it. Say, step ye corner you taking a dangerous step. And boy, now despite warning them, they ignore you and still go ahead and go and make a very mistake you told them that let us not make. Hey, yeah. And you just reach say, okay, let whatever I saw, let it happen. So that next time maybe I'll mess you at the frame. Just that maybe sometimes before you learn from it, people will suffer. Now what is happening? NDC 4 Baba Mono. Akufo-Addo Jaya, be 6 months of import cover. She say, nneɛma nkɔ yie koraa na Ghana no yɛ heavily dependent on importations. At least no, sika dollar dodo a yɛbɛhia ɛde import nneɛma for 6 months yɛ. Ɔman no bɛnya bi. It was around I think 9 billion US dollars. Ɛna na yɛwɔ hɔ. Akufo-Addo Jaya. Beyond that, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia Eka say, Ghana, we are one of the biggest producers of gold. We are seeing in them. But Oko, a central banker, our gold reserve is just about 8 tons. 8 tons are basically not worth it as a Maya producing gold. And why don't we begin a gold purchasing program? That will be the backbone for our currency. When we need dollars, all we do is say, we can find gold. Now I talk, now it's dollars. And no. You don't really need to use your money for your money to depreciate. And yes, sir, project, sir, a policy in say our gold reserve, our central bank, rise here from 8 tons, 35 tons. And now on mine, we were kind of happy, smiling because we know, say, our economy, our currency, they have a strong backbone, which was a trigger for recovery. Awana edwana kwenkwen for abedu. Kwenkwen for we abedu no. Your import cover na 6 months no. Me using in less than 1 year. Import cover no. Me using in na. Ya bisa omo say escanomu die den almost here to is force. I the media project na almost here to is force. Media kwacha obi na almost here to is force. Media kwa investment na almost here to is force. To is force na mo ka kire. Okay. Yankoti a. Almost na me ka say eye gold na ewo ho a Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia policy no. 35 tons of gold no. Oma chemu mienu. Ato bako 18 tons, almost 18 tons of gold sold. Sika no gu deɛ den a ɔmo sɛ ɔmo de hyɛ foreign exchange ne mu. Ɔmo de hyɛ foreign exchange mu sɛ yɛn kɔ ti a ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nim looking at global market now how they couldn't predict what was to come, and they just thought said they should sell the gold down that if the price is the price because of the price in IA good currently. Now be someone say how would sane people, so how would right thinking people think like that? Gold will never lose its value. Say call background po say the current level now gold price reduce here. It's just a matter of time and patience. It will pick up. And there was really not no need for that. But now NDC for some palliative care and creating a name for themselves where there is actually no name. No. And they hurriedly did all those things so that they can also get chobo. NDC need to be a name say, and yet the positive outcome no po or per avenue be the teach chobo keke. NDC for no chobolisis. Yare bi a oyɛ NDC ni na yɛ ma appointment a automatically ɔbɛ yare saa yare no chobolisis. Eti wa obi nkyɛn wɔ comment section chobolisis aka okay chobolisis equal to sickness you acquire automatically once you become an NDC appointee. Chobolisis. I'm very serious. Yare. Now, they've done all these things. Little did they know, say, March Wemono, Israel for, any America for, any UK for, Ekwa pen tokwa, ewo Iran. Now, Dokwana starting, Iran for, canal bakwa, ships, oil tankers, AUZ, and they call Europe near Africa mono. And we see no bagawaya, no maritime zone. What won't you be it blow up. And what does it do? It my fuel price na cost. So fuel price no cost. We will need more dollars to go and buy the fuel. So when we need more dollars now, it will lead to the depreciation of the currency at a faster rate. Now, on the way oil price never rises sharply, you can tell say war way persist beyond 2 weeks. Now, the things that we had put in place for a time like that, I gold purchasing program, ni import cover no, ya no me use here. And teacher say all the things Akufo-Addo were trying to prevent in times like this, no, we are back to square zero. So we are going to suffer the effect as though we had not made sacrifices in the past. That is, you can say elections have consequences. These are things that is what we mean. And yes, sir, if you are party from Weba now be losing your appointment. No. These are the things we are talking about. Unfortunately, Ghanaians did not just come on board with our message. They say, hey, nana yebre. Hey, nana yebre. Now, yebre no, it doesn't matter if you are MPP or NDC. Well, we NDC, you are kakra we are there, but we answer and say, wa catch on say 2020 now, we will them. Yeah, unfortunately for you. Which for I Ghana Sem, we are having an upcoming project. I am building and as a renting and designing a beautiful studio who in Volta region, conquering the NDC stronghold by force, getting more people to come and join us at Ghana Sem TVGH, bring you quality topics that you love as you love it. Project total cost to 25,000 Ghana cedis, roughly $2,300. Boy, the number is beneath. We'll do it small. Don't go anywhere yet. It's a beautiful conversation up next for you listening. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
10 billion. Nasa Middle East in talk what me affect with ya. And you know we are coffee you. Yentia dear Bakubi. Abusha for Mutim here. Nanado, His Excellency can say. Any people who are yet to be informed my life. But economy the bit media. But a do ya. The NDC for can once and pa editia MPP for a 2022 inflation maybe a could do 54. And one of the casem. Abaya bon home from 54. Ebedru 20 to 23. Na se yo fat base me pamche o se oba o shase no na onya ade e na afede wo hu se oba na afede obo ne homoden wa bo ne homoden saa no oba na ba bi obo ne homoden no me pache o se obi toa so ana se o toa so okay we dey me fa we say example omo amko baton no short one ayi no eno a omko ana omode edua na ma we say no me pache o the obesha ase no se wan sha ase yi a se affect o e affect mu wini no enya sa enti nanado abe urane eno wa sha ase yi ena ye call 54 no oduru mfimfin no wate aba ma fe de aba fom kro a wayire ne ho de baton na ma wo se woje na fato aso na se woje na wo de sa wachi a me pache de wo sha ase no a wo no bo ne ho modern ono ne ebremu no enti se wo wenti me amfa nto aso yie di a eche se wabon de me ka nyina ne se John Mahama amamu na na dubu ye no wo de 54 ateso ebra na crisis yesi ateso aba na ba 20 ene ne 23 na se wo ba na hihye no na IMF projection nyina kire se inflation beti aba fom omo projection na omo de man se by the year 2026-27 no inflation beti aba fom na se wo ba na be fa de na de kosoro a se ne nko abon nti John Mahama onye hwe se Middle East maybe can say na me ne nkrofo ni bi ni afafrantofo na omo a omo nwonfo na omo hu omo left and right me catch omo say John Mahama mintimi assess no sabre ba bia me assess no aye February the second week e ho na me hu say John Mahama bo no homodi anaso omo no homodi ampa second week e no ototo paso enti mpacho Middle East for ntokwa no eno na eche o say mfa nkokon ketekete ne mana beche nkokon ketekete ayi 750 ema 13,000 Middle East ntokwa na de basa anya bia Middle East ntokwa no ene ka cho say 24 hours economy no me pa cho last year na Middle East for ntokwa no na na do time nya se de wo ho na sha ase na omko on off enti no omo na ka cho say 24 hours na meye enti Middle East for ntokwa ene be ka cho John Mahama say company ya bie no 2021 a omo run 24 hours dada kone ko twa cake mu say wo de be 24 hours ase omo nye serious wo de hwe omo ba ya okuje to aye ne sese ayi abogras aboa bi wo wuram ye fe no jingale esemfon fe no jingale wa uni wa ayi kajrepe ayi akatachire okuje to aye ne sese akatachire mowre ati honom ke kan kwasese na me se aban ne ba no yesi ya me se me resign oboa no de purpose yade man ni wie ye no and na we say the whole NDC okuje to so won nanim nyansa se obia because we free John Mahama mamuomu a ebe collapse John Mahama to want man ka hwe chese John Mahama na nkasa kura no okuje to achense wonim nyansa because wonim nyansa una ugu man no okuje to se we free wa mamuomu a amamuo no ebe tete apansam kura ene wowom atete apansam me say me maamo up to safe ayi match ya yewuramu ending me say John Mahama enu se wonwie ne tanu ano se wawie no onfamla wie no na dollar to cedi and 20 cedis wo pa mo hwade obe pompia because ebedu baby no okay ebedu baby no yebebo minim yebo minim a wo de ahomte because they say me pacho Ghana se labor for no se wo na etua ka no wo hwe wo salary you no pass say omo okay me pa chaw fat base dem dey fat na ye adwuma ha mon call labor commission for no omo website na mo hwa de say John Mahama de obi ka wo ye teacher ni na tra de na da tin say John Mahama de o cut 11 months ya me pa chaw emfa hye utin na da ho say wonne o ka wo so wonne ka abonten de o de o ka by ho de wonne o ka enu nti mesre say John Mahama amamuo no se wadua enkontompo ebode ena afifi woto am onya koko enu nti paduro fa yeso ne gya atro no a enye campaign na wo ye eye amamuo na ubu enti gya sa campaign eniema no a wo ye no John Mahama gyae ne fa wo ho si wo se ubu oman no se John ayi na nado niema omo ye nyina no ena wo change names se ya de omba be mpacho kotoka wo ye na de aduane be obi ayi office kotoka eye wote ka no office ya santidi tien kosesa no me pa mechewo me se John Mahama mu man na wunjai ayi no agua na ayi Easter time na be na mbeka ayi no wo beka intena na ndie mo wie
There be a way just that ye but
anya mame fancy
yeah
antino ache ni mabom me dase me da mo ase
me dase
Babo ena omo bombe Saudi Arabia oil refinery ba ko to ha nti no koso ho no na ja godon entra social media so social media ja ma busy tibi ya na me so ma min ko twa hwehwe me ko ya amanfo de si Mampani Mahama so adenti a Mampani Mahama so akoka o Tanzania say ntokwana ekoso no ewusunsan so Africa economy so
there be so be any ho
ena crofo say ha papa na o kan say nande o mko yi ni videos yi bae nande andrew dia de jeche social media so sa say onya ka kra ni nyati onya ka ni nyati nti ma Eric for the last na yehwe America Mampani SNE objectives and also alternative objectives or the core you know any nti gonna so objectives near them
our objectives are clear. First, we are destroying Iran's missile capabilities. Second, we are annihilating their navy. Third, we are ensuring that the world's #1 sponsor of terror can never obtain a nuclear weapon. Finally, we are ensuring that the world's #1 sponsor of terror can energy chatwo. We are ensuring questions be all we said international conventions and okasa memma mududu.
Yeah.
Wakasa memma mududu. And I say he has no regard for other human beings.
Na Obama black na on say no ni ade.
Say one day says wa marry ase. That's why made the president.
Yeah.
And we and that
hard.
Or ya broso. Now in the history of America no. Menye sure say obia no so doso do.
Obakutia bi president Obakutia.
And I say ya used to be fire no. Kamala Harris, former vice president. Was it entokwana woko no? America for any nye ho.
Eso cause eso no koji permission kra eso an koji.
The one ko se je bi ni. What is be akoso? And I'm say and see series be brave wo say. And I'm say Epstein files